How to leave a class in Google Classroom. If you are a student or a parent, you can leave a Google Classroom. You can leave a classroom as a student at any time. Leaving a class removes your grades from the gradebook and assignments for your class. Leaving a class removes your grades from the gradebook and assignments from your class. However, your work will remain in the class folders in Google Drive, and your post remains in the class stream. To do this, go to the Google Classroom. Here, select the classes from the menu. Now, you have the classes here. Tap on the three dots menu from the class you wish to leave. Select Unenroll. Again, tap on Unenroll. Now you have left the classroom. If you check the class archive, you will not see any class. Also, if you go back to the classes zone, you will not see the class you have left. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. You can also watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.